This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by picking one clear term and writing a succinct definition. Explain what it covers and why it matters. Once done, set the scope so readers know the audience level and domain tags, and add 3 related terms to build context. Make sure to use simple language and a consistent pattern, term, definition, usage, so entries stay scannable. This first step creates the template you will repeat for every entry, saving time and improving consistency. Now expand the entry by adding context. Give 1 or 2 concrete examples or use cases that show how the term works in practice. Also provide pronunciation and common abbreviations or variants so readers recognize different forms. Then add cross-references and preferred synonyms to connect the term across the glossary. This deeper detail improves comprehension and searchability. If you maintain consistent formatting, users will scan and learn. Finish by reviewing the entry for clarity and consistency, checking for duplicates and ambiguous wording. Once clean, publish with tags and search keywords so users can find it easily. If overlap exists, merge duplicate entries and keep the clearest definition. If confusion persists, add a short note or example to disambiguate. Make sure to track changes and solicit feedback. That ongoing loop keeps the glossary accurate and useful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.